Let us do one more problem. X power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. Did you identify? We already did this problem before, but we did this problem in other method. We used the identity for solving this problem. Now let us factor problem by splitting of the middle term. How? As I said before, we should find the factors of this last term, minus 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 into 8, 2 into 4, that's it. We have these two factors. Since we have minus here, therefore we should consider difference of the factors. What is the difference of the factors? 7. What is the difference of the factor? 2. Therefore, what are the factors of minus 8 for this particular problem? Yes, 1 and 8. Since the difference is 7. Therefore, this can be written as x power 6 minus, in place of 7, we take the factors 1 and 8. 8 minus 1 of x cube minus 1 into 8. Do you understand? Let us take the factors of 8. The factors of minus 8, 1 and 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Since minus is there, that's why we should take difference of the factor. Difference of these two factors is 7. Difference of the two factors is 2. Therefore, we should consider only 1 and 8. Since the difference is 7, which is equal to coefficient of x cube or middle term. Therefore, in place of 7, we should take 8 minus 1. And 8 can be written as 1 into 8. X power 6 minus multiply with x cube, 8 into x, 8x cube, minus into minus, plus 1 into x cube into 1 into 8. In these two, what you can take common? We have x power 6, x cube. In these two, we can take x cube common. If you take x cube common, here we have x cube and here we have minus 8. In these two, we can take 1 common because there is no other common terms between these two. If you take 1 common, here we have x cube and minus 8. Therefore, observe again we have same factor, x cube minus 8, x cube minus 8. Take x cube minus 8 as common. Here we have x cube plus 1. Yes, these are the factors. Still we can factorize these two because this 8 can be written as 2 cube and this 1 can be written as 1 cube. Therefore, this can be written as x whole cube minus 8 2 whole cube into x whole cube plus 1 cube. Now these two are in the form of a cube minus b cube and these two are in the form of a cube plus b cube. What are the factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And what is the factors of a cube plus b cube? They are a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Apply these two identities here. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b, x minus 2 of a square x square plus ab plus x into 2, 2x plus b square plus 2 square, 2 square is equal to 4 into, and this term in the form of a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube factors are a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In place of a we have x, in place of b we have 1. Therefore a plus b is equal to x plus 1 and a square x square minus ab x into 1 x plus b square 1 square, 1 square is nothing but 1. Therefore these 4 are factors of x power 6 minus 7x cubed minus 8. Or we can factorize such kind of problems by using identities and by using the middle term we can factorize this problem. So far we discussed about factorization of monic quadratic polynomial. Now let us see how to factorize a non-monic quadratic polynomial. Non-monic quadratic polynomial means the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. If it is equal to 1, if a is equal to 1, then it is a monic quadratic polynomial. So far we discussed how to factorize a monic quadratic polynomial. Let us see how to factorize a non-monic or general quadratic polynomial whose coefficient is not equal to, whose x square coefficient is not equal to 1. Let us discuss this factorization with one example. Let us see one example. 2x square plus 7x plus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial, but this is not monic quadratic polynomial, since the coefficient of x square is 2, not 1. Therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. To factorize such kind of quadratic polynomial, we should remember 3 things. The first one is, let us multiply the coefficient of x square and constant. This is the first thing. What is the first thing? Let us multiply the coefficient of x square and constant. 2 into 6, the product is 12. And second step, let us find the factors of this product. That is the second step. Let us find the factors of the product of this 2 and 6. What are the factors of 12? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Since this plus 12 is a positive number, as we discussed before while we discussing about factorization of monic quadratic polynomial, if the product is positive, we should take sum of the factors. Let us find sum of the factors of these 2, that is 13. Sum of the factors of 2 and 6, 8. Sum of the factors of 3 and 4 is equal to 7. What is the coefficient of x here? 7. Therefore, what are the appropriate or suitable factors of 12 to factorize this problem? 3 and 4. And third one, let us split the middle term according to the factors of this product. Therefore, this 7 can be written as 3 plus 4. 2x square in place of 7. Let us split as 3 plus 4 of x and 6. 2x square plus 3 into x, 3x plus 4 into x, 4x plus 6. Now, in these two terms, what we can take common? Can you take any numerical factor common? No, here we have 2 and here we have 3. Can you take any numerical factor as common? No. Then take literals. Here we have x square, here we have x. Yes, in these two we can take only x common. Only literal. If you take x common, what are the remaining factors in this term? That is 2x. Since we took x as common, here we have only 3 left. Now plus. Now in these two terms, what we can take common? Here we have no literals. Therefore, what is the possibility of taking common here? Only numericals. 4, 6. The GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. And 4, 6, these 2 will go in 2 table. That's why GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. We can take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, what are the other factors left in this term? 2x plus. Since we took 2 as common, here we have 3. Again observe, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. We have same factor common. Take it, 2x plus 3 of, here we have x, here plus 2. So these two are factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 6. See, we factorize a quadratic polynomial or a non-monic quadratic polynomial. Let us follow these 3 steps. What is the first step? Let us multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. That is the first step. The product is 12. Then the second step is, for this product, let us take the factors. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Since 12 is a positive number, plus 12, therefore we should take only sum of the factors as we done before. 1 plus 12, 13, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3 plus 4, 7. Now what are the appropriate factors of 12 for this particular problem? Only 3, 4, because the sum of these two factors is equal to 7, which is the coefficient of x, the coefficient of middle term. This is the third step. Now in place of this 7, we can write as 3 plus 4. Now multiply 3 into x, 4 into x plus 6. Now in these two terms, we can take only x common. See, we can't take any numericals as common term, because this is 2, 3, both are co-primes. You can't take any other numerical factor as common. In this 2 we can take x common. We have 2x plus 3. In this 2 we can take 2 common. Since 2 is the GCD of 4 and 6, 2 common. Here we have 2x plus 3. Again we have same factors, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Take 2x plus 3 common, and here we have x, and in this term we have plus 2. Therefore these two are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 6. Is it clear? Let us discuss one more example. (3x square plus 4x minus 7). This is also a non-monic quadratic polynomial or general quadratic polynomial, since the coefficient of x square is 3. How can you factorize this one? What are the steps involved to factorize this problem? As I said before, first let us multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. 3 into minus 7 minus 21. The second step is, let us find the factors of minus 21. What are the factors of minus 21? 1 into 21, 3 into 7, that's it. Find, since this is minus 21, if it is product is minus, let us take difference of the factors. The difference of the factors must be equal to the coefficient of middle term. What is the difference of these two? Difference of 1 and 21 is 20. Difference of 3 and 7 is 4. Therefore, this 4 equal to the coefficient of x. Therefore, what are the appropriate factors of 21 for this particular problem? Yes, 3 sevens. Therefore, 3x square plus, we should take difference of the factors, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 7. 3x square plus 7 into x, 7x plus into minus, minus 3 into x, 3x minus 7. In these two terms, what you can take common? We can't take any numericals common. We can take only literals. X square x. In these two, we can take x common. If you take x common, what are the remaining factors in this first term? 3x. In the second term, only plus 7. Now, in these two, what you can take? We can't take even numericals and literals as common. Therefore, we can take only minus 1 common, because minus 1 is the GCD of these two numericals. Since we took minus 1 common, here we have 3x. As I said before, if you take minus common, here the minus become plus 7, because minus into plus is equal to minus. Again, we have same factor, 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7. As I said before, if you have same factors here, what we did, that is correct. If you we won't get same factors here and here, we did wrong somewhere. Therefore, since we got same factor, 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7, therefore we took correct factors. Take 3x plus 7 common in these two terms. In first term we have x, the second term we have minus 1. Therefore, 3x plus 7 and x minus 1 are factors of 3x square plus 4x minus 7. Do you understand? Okay, let us discuss what are the steps involved to factorize in this problem. As I said before, first one, let us multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. 3 into minus 7 minus 21. Since the product is minus, let us consider difference of the factors. If product is plus, we should consider sum of the factors. Since we have minus here, negative number, we should consider difference of the factors. What are the factors of 21? 1 into 21. Difference of these two factors is 20. What are the other factors of 21? 3 sevens. Difference of these two is 4. Therefore, this 4 is equal to coefficient of x. Same. Therefore, what are the appropriate factors of 21 for this particular problem? 3 sevens. Since the difference of 7 and 3 is 4, we should consider only 3 7, not 1 and 21. In place of 4, take 7 minus 3, multiply with x, 7x minus 3x minus 7. In these two, we can take x common. In these two, we can take minus 1 common. Again, in these two terms, we can take 3x plus 7 common. Here we have x minus 1. These are the factors of 3x square plus 4x minus 7. Now, let us do one more example. that is 3x square minus 17x minus 20. How to factor such kind of quadratic polynomial? As I said before, to factorize such kind of problem, we should multiply the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is here 3 and the constant is minus 20. Let us multiply these two. 3 into minus 20 and the product is minus 60. Now, since minus 60 is a minus term, 60, the symbol of 60 is minus. Since we have minus 60, we should take difference of the factors. As I said before, if product is minus, we should consider difference of the factors. Those difference of the factors is equal to coefficient of x. What are the factors of 60? We have 1 into 60. Difference is 59. Therefore, these two are not appropriate factors for this particular problem. Then go for second. 2 into 30. Difference is 28. This is also not appropriate. Then go for 3. 3 into 20. The difference is 17. The 17 which is equal to coefficient of x. Therefore, what are the appropriate factors of 60 so that the difference of the factors is equal to coefficient of x. Factors of 60 is 3 into 20. Now 3x square minus, in place of this 17 take 20 minus 3 of x minus 20. 3x square minus, multiply with these two terms with x, minus 20x minus of minus plus into 3x, 3x minus 20. See here, minus 20x plus 3x, minus 20x plus 3x is equal to minus 17x. Therefore, minus 17x we can split it as minus 20x plus 3x. Now, in these two terms, what you can take common? Any numericals? No, 3 and 20, they both are co-primes. Therefore, we can't take any numericals as a common factor. Literals, yes, here we have x square and x, we can take x common. Since you took x as common, here we have 3x and in this term we have minus 20. Now, in these two terms, what you can take common? We can't take even numericals and literals. The GCD of 3 and 20 is 1. Therefore, we can take only one common. Since we took 1 as common, we have 3x minus 20. Again, 3x minus 20, 3x minus 20. We have same common factor. Take it common. 3x minus 20. Therefore, here we have x left in the first term and plus 1 left in the second term. Therefore, the factors of 3x square minus 17x minus 20 is equal 3x minus 20 x plus 1. As I said before, if you solve such kind of problem, non-monic quadratic polynomial, let us multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term minus 60. Since the product is minus, we should consider difference of the factors. If the product is positive, we should consider sum of the factors. If the product is minus, we should consider difference of the factors. What are the factors of 60? 1 into 60, difference is 59. Therefore, these are not appropriate factors for particular problem. Another one is 2 into 30, difference is 28, which is not appropriate for this problem. The third one is 3 into 20, difference is 17. Both are equal. Therefore, we should take only 3 and 20. In place of 17, let us take 20 minus 3, 17. Multiply with these two terms with x minus 20x minus into minus 3x minus 20. In these two terms we can take x common. In these two terms we can 1 common. Again we have same 3x minus 20, 3x minus 20. Take it common, 3x minus 20 of x plus 1. These are the factors of 3x square minus 17x minus 20. 3x square minus 16x plus 16. Factorize 3x square minus 16x plus 16. This is also not a monoquadratic polynomial since the coefficient of x square is 3. To factorize such kind of problem, we should multiply this x square coefficient and 16. 3 into 16, 48. Since the product is positive, if product is positive, we should consider sum of the factors. Sum of the factors is equal to 16. What are the factors of 18? 48, sorry, what is the factors of 48? 1 into 48. Factor, sum of the factors is equal to 49. But quotient of x is 16. Therefore, we can't take these two factors. The second one is 2 into 24. Sum of the factors 26. Even we can't take. Third one 3 into 16. Sum is 19. Even we can't. 4 into 12. 48. Sum of the factors is 16, which is equal to coefficient of x. Therefore, the appropriate factors of 48 is 4 into 12. 4 into 12. 3x square minus, in place of 16, let us take 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 of x. As I said, if the product is positive, we should take sum of the factors. Sum of the factors plus 16. 3x square multiply with minus, minus 4x minus 12x. Minus into plus, minus plus 16. Now, in these two terms, what you can take common? This is 3x square minus 4x. Can you take any numericals as factor? No. But literals we can take factor. X square, x. We can take x common. Here we have 3x and here we have 4 left. Now, in these two, what you can take common? 12 and 16. The GCD of 12 and 16 is 4. Since 4 is a common factor for both 12 and 16. Take 4 common. What are the other factors left in this term? Since I took 4 common, 4 3s are 12. 3x. Since I took minus common, as I said before, if you take minus common, this plus become minus. Okay, I took already 4 common. How many times this 4 will go in 16? 4 times. Therefore 4. Observe, we have 3x minus 4. Take 3x minus 4. Take it common. What are the terms left in the first term? X. What are the terms left in the second term? Minus 4. Therefore, these two are the factors of minus 16x 60. Is it clear? Multiply the quotient of x square and the constant. Since the product is positive, we should consider sum of the factors. Remember, if the product is positive, we should take sum of the factors. If the product is negative, we should consider difference of the factors. sum of the factors of the product is equal to the coefficient of x 4, 12, sum of the factor 16, which is equal to coefficient of x 16. Therefore, we should not consider these three possibilities. We should consider only this one. In place of 16, 4 plus 2 multiply minus 4x minus 12x plus 16. In these two we can take x common. In this two minus 4 common. Again we have 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, take it common. Here we have x left and here we have minus 4 left. These are the factors of problem. Is it clear?